In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Porkbun domain to Vercel. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to vercel.com and from in there, proceed to sign up. You can do so by clicking onto this button and create an account. If you want to create an account and also a project at the same time, proceed to click onto this Start Deploying. So since I already have a project and an account, let me log in right here. Now here is my actual Vercel. Here is my dashboard. I already have my team as well as projects. If you don't have it yet, make sure to click onto this Add New option. Now let's head over right here to our domains that you can see on the ribbon. Once you're in there, click onto this Add Existing Domain. Just right here the project that you want to add that domain with, and click on Continue. Now it will ask for the domain name. So let's head over right here again into our porkbun.com and search right here for a domain that you want. So for example, right here, I'll just search for tutorial cat. Click onto the search right here in order to get some search results for the domains that we can buy. We can see in here .inc, .one, .xyz, as well as a lot more options. In my case, let's choose right here this .lol. Let's click onto this plus icon. Click on checkout. And then after that, it should be able to show you in here this. You can get some hosting options for this as well. Just make sure to actually get this domain and then buy it. So here is our actual domain name. And once you have bought it, head back to Vercel and add in here the domain that we have. Click on add. Now from in there, you should be able to see that our configuration is invalid. So make sure to click on this learn more. Get this DNS records, which is the type, the name, and the value, and then add that to Porkbun. Once it's been added, you should be able to sync those two together and you should be able to add that particular domain to Vercel. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.